October is a beautiful month, and October is the month that we always use to remember breast cancer, or is a time that we always talk about breast cancer. Now, some people think that if it is October, that is the time that you are going to get breast cancer, so that's why they've been checking the breast cancer in October. But my dear, it's not like that. October is just a month that we use to remember our sisters, our mothers, that breast cancer is real. Now, if you're a man, a boyfriend, a husband, an uncle, a daddy, any chance on this video, share it to our sisters, share it to our mothers, because we are coming to talk about breast cancer and then how to detect breast cancer easily. Breast cancer is a cancer of the breast, okay? And when one important thing that we know is that cancer is early, is like cancer is treated well when it's detected very early, okay? So today we are going to talk about how to detect breast cancer or early. Now, it is very important that we talk about this self breast examination. Now, my sisters, the mirror that we have in our houses is not for only checking if your bra is well fitting. It's not for only checking pimples on your face. The mirror is very important for you to check your breasts. Okay? Now, why should you check for your breast? Now, the reason why you should be checking your breast is that you are looking for certain signs and symptoms, or you are looking for certain signs in your breast. When you see those signs, it might be breast cancer. So what you are supposed to do is that when you see those signs, then you take them to the hospital. Okay, so now let's talk about it. You see, when you menstruate, after you've menstruated 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, that is the time that you are supposed to do your self breast examination. Did you hear what I said? After you have menstruated, so it means from the last day of your menstruation, you count day 3. You count, so don't do it on the first day after menstruation, don't do it on the second day, but you can do it on day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, and even day 8. The reason is that is the time that the hormonal levels come down. So that's the time that your swollen and then your tender breast will come down, so everything will be okay. Otherwise, the hormonal levels will deceive you and then you will see it to be something else. Okay, good. Now, earlier on I was saying that the mirror is not for only checking whether your bra is fitting, but the mirror is also used for checking for, it's also used for self breast examination. Now listen carefully. Stand in front of your mirror, my dear, and then watch your breasts. Now, what you are looking for is 1, look at the size. So look at the size of the two breasts and see if they are how they used to be. If there is any changes, note it down. Number 2, look at the color of the breast. Look whether they have become more darker. Look whether it's now looking orange. Look whether there is changes in the color. That's number 2. Number 3, you are looking at the nipples. Now you check whether the nipples have become, they are inverted. Like, check whether the nipple is now going inside. Some people have inverted nipples normally, that's how they are. But if yours is not like that, if there is a change inside, then you need to note it down. Then the same nipple, check whether the nipples are bleeding, and check whether there is some discharges coming out from the nipple. So you can hold it, then you squeeze it small and see if there are discharges coming out from the nipple. Very important. Now, when you do that and you are done, then now we are going to the third part, the most important part. You see this, your left hand. Raise your left hand. So you are going to raise your left hand. Raise it up. You can put it behind your head. Then you use your right hand. Then we are going to examine the breast. Now, this type of examination is what we call palpation. Okay, you are going to press the breast from where you see your clavicular bone, this bone, the bone at the top here, this one. Yes, so we are going to check from here to the rib under your breast. Then we are going to check from your armpit to your sternum. Okay, so we are going to do it in a circular motion, and you see the way coil look like. The way coil goes round and round till we get to the middle. That's how we are going to do it. So we are going to do it like that. So you palpate in a circular motion like that. So when you are doing it, then you are closing it, then you are closing it till you get to the nipple. Okay, and when you are doing that, what are you looking for? You are looking for 1, you are looking for lumps. Okay, lump is, you see when you cook banku and then the banku you don't cook it well, then you see some small, say like stone, it's not stone but it's some, when you put it in your mouth you feel it, when you put your hand inside at times you feel it. You see that thing, when you see it inside, like when you're doing the palpation, you are looking for that particular type of objects. Okay, now when you're doing it, that's what you're looking for. When you find one, my dear, go to the hospital. See, most of the time when you find those things, it doesn't mean that you have breast cancer, but it doesn't also mean that you should sit down quiet and sit on it. It is better you go to the hospital, and then the doctor is going to confirm whether it is breast cancer or it is not breast cancer. Because when we started earlier, what did I say? I said cancer is treated if it is detected early. When you get to see it early, very simple, you can treat it, and then like everything will be okay. But when it grows to a certain point, you like it will start metastasizing, like cancer spreads. So when you get it or when you detect it early, you eradicate it off, everything is going to be alright. Okay, your breast is your pride, my sister. Your breast is one thing that makes you a woman, very important about you. So it is very important when you keep it well, when you take care of it. Take care of your breast, examine your breast, detect it very early, and then save your life, because it is so important. I will see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay safe. Don't forget to share this video to a friend. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Let everybody get to know about breast cancer and how to examine yourself. And yes, when you are doing this, do it in the shower. Okay, do it in the shower, because when water pours on it, it's very easy to detect. It's very slimy. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay safe. Peace.